A well thought out end screen strategy is key to growing your channel. You need to make sure you point people in the direction of the next video, the one that's more relevant to them, that will keep them learning. You want to make sure that they're watching a playlist, so they watch tons of your content, and you want to make sure they subscribe. And if you do all these things right, guess what? You'll be the next... I wanted to say Marilyn Manson, but he doesn't have a vlog. Someone with a vlog who's got lots of followers. Here's how to find out if they're actually working. Log into your channel and go to your YouTube studio. Then select Analytics and set the time frame you want to work with. Now select Interest Viewers and scroll down. You'll see there are two options. Top videos by end screen, which will show you a rundown of the videos where the end screens have been interacted with the most, and top end screen element types, which will show you how well the options you've added to your end screen are performing. You can go deeper by clicking on the list. Let's dive into the top videos. You can now see a list of all your videos with the amount the screens have been shown versus clicked. You're probably wondering what a good click percentage is? Well, me too. We've seen different things all over the place, but my opinion is this. You'll see some videos have higher end screen clicks than others, and I would consider anything above 8% high for sure. Go check out the end screens of your best performing videos. It might give you some clues as to why they get hit so much. You might just find that best for viewer has been working well for you, or you might find that you're being more obvious asking people what to watch next, or you might find you're being more obvious in what you're asking people to watch next, or that it's part 2 in the series. You should start to see a pattern emerging. Your other area to look at is the top end screen element types. Again, you might find best viewers showing. The stats you see here are pretty poor. It's taken from our channel when it was more of a dumping ground than anything else. We've got an end screen strategy now, and further down the line when we've got more data, we'll show you the big difference that it makes to a channel by comparing it to the old end screen stats that we've showed you there. So make sure you click here to subscribe and get that content. Otherwise, if you want to improve your end screens, click here and watch this video and it'll teach you just how to do that.